Welcome to this lesson on ordered pairs and coordinate notation. In algebra, we often need a precise way to describe locations on a flat surface, like a map or a graph. Today, we will learn how to use the x and y notation to find and place points exactly where they belong. So, what exactly is an ordered pair? Simply put, it is a pair of numbers used to locate a specific point on a coordinate plane. It is always written inside parentheses, separated by a comma. The first number represents the x value, and the second number represents the y value. The order is crucial. Switching the numbers changes the location. This is the coordinate plane. It is formed by two number lines intersecting at a right angle. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, and the vertical line is called the y-axis. Where they cross is a special point called the origin, which represents 0 for both lines. Let's break down the pair. The first number is the x-coordinate. This number tells you how far to move horizontally along the x-axis. A positive number means you move to the right, while a negative number would mean moving to the left. In the example 4, 2, the 4 tells us to move 4 units to the right from the origin. The second number is the y-coordinate. This corresponds to vertical movement. It tells you how far to move up or down. A positive number means move up, and a negative number means move down. In our example, the 2 tells us to move 2 units up. Now let's put it together to plot the point 4, 2. We start at the origin. First, we use the x-coordinate and move 4 units to the right. Then, from that position, we use the y-coordinate and move 2 units up. We draw a dot at this exact location. That dot represents the ordered pair 4, 2. It is called an ordered pair because the order strictly matters. Compare the point 4, 2 with the point 2, 4. For 4, 2, we go right 4 and up 2. But for 2, 4, we go right 2 and up 4. As you can see, these are two completely different locations on the plane. The two axes divide the plane into 4 sections called quadrants. They are numbered using Roman numerals 1 through 4, starting from the top right and going counterclockwise. In quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. As you move around, the signs of the coordinates change depending on which side of the axes you are on. Sometimes one of the coordinates is 0. If the y-coordinate is 0, the point sits directly on the x-axis, like the point 3, 0. If the x-coordinate is 0, the point sits on the y-axis, like the point 0, 4. These points do not belong to any specific quadrant. To wrap up, remember these key points. Ordered pairs use x and y to locate points. The x-coordinate controls left and right movement, while the y-coordinate controls up and down movement. Always start at the origin, and remember that the order of the numbers is essential to finding the correct location.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.